Now, this is the summary of the topic reproductive health from NCRT book. Reproductive health, most of the points I have explained you already. So, summary in a nutshell, you can learn about counseling and creating awareness among people about reproductive organs, adolescence, and associated changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices. These all are included in this topic. Then providing medical facility and care to the problems like menstruation, menstrual irregularities, pregnancy related aspect, delivery, MTP, STDs, birth control, infertility, postnatal child and maternal management. What do you mean by natal, postnatal? Anyone can tell me? Natal means birth, postnatal care for the mother and baby, that is after the birth, right? The care is required for both mother and the baby. This all comes under the reproductive and child health care program. The overall improvement in reproductive health has taken place in our country as indicated by the reduced maternal and infant mortality. Earlier, in our villages and in general, mother used to die after the delivery, and the chances now with improved medical facility, the maternal mortality and infant mortality, that is IMR and MMR, these are the two terms. MMR stands for maternal mortality rate and IMR, that is infant mortality. So there is a drastic reduction in these with better health facilities. Then there are so many surgical methods you have learned about the contraceptives. There is a medical termination of pregnancy. In our country, it has been legalized, that is, abortion has been legalized with some rules and regulations, and unwanted pregnancy is aborted. Then diseases or infections transmitted through sexual intercourse are called STDs, or this may lead to PID, that is pelvic inflammatory disease. And then lastly, you can see inability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation is infertility. Infertility means that a couple is not having baby, the couple doesn't get baby even after 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation. So various methods are now available to help such couples, like IVF, I have told you, in vitro fertilization, or which is also known as test tube baby IVF, in which transfer of embryo into the female genital tract is one such method and is commonly known as test tube baby. So all in all, this is all about the chapter reproductive health. Now let us focus on exercise questions. To start with the basic one, if you solve question, then you'll clarify your concept. As I told you that I'll be conducting questions. Let us begin with this true and false question number 11. You have to tell me the statement is true or false. First one, A, you can see here, abortion could happen spontaneously. 2, this is true or false? Yes, anyone? The abortion could not happen spontaneously. Abortion is done willingly. So statement is false. Sometimes it is done surgically, sometimes some medical tablet or capsule is given, and that way, right through female genital tract, a baby is aborted. So the first statement is, you can say, false. Now infertility is defined as the inability to produce a viable offspring and is always due to abnormalities, defects in female partners. So tell me the statement is true or false. Anyone, you can tell me that infertility is always because of female? No, no way. It is the defect of male also. I have told you there is a term. Who can tell me what is oligospermia? If you remember, children. Yes, anyone can tell me. Oligospermia means less sperm count in male. So it is women has not to be blamed always. Male partners are always also there in case a couple they don't get a baby, then both are equally responsible. So the B statement is false. Now see this third one. Complete lactation could help as a natural method of contraception. Complete lactation. As I told you in lactational, you have read this term as lactational amenorrhea. So that lactational after the parturition, the woman feeds the baby with her milk. That way her cyclic changes stops. So cycles are stopped. So that way the prevention she cannot conceive. So this is a true. The statement is true. Now next question you can see here that creating awareness about sex related aspect is an effective method to improve reproductive health of the people. So definitely the statement is, what do you say? It is true. Creating awareness about sex related aspect is an effective method to improve reproductive health. The statement is true. Now move on to next. Correct the following statement. A. Surgical methods of contraception prevent gamete formation. Surgical method, you see, if I ask you a simple question that name male gamete and female gamete. Yes, obviously male gamete is sperm, female gamete is ova. So in surgical methods, I have explained you the vasectomy and tubectomy of prevent gamete. So it doesn't prevent gamete formation, it prevents the meeting of gametes. If the vas difference of male is tied up and cut, then definitely a sperm will not travel and it will not meet the ova. So this is you can say correct this following statement. So surgical methods of contraception prevent gamete formation instead of it prevent fertilization, not the gamete formation. See the B statement. All sexually transmitted diseases are completely curable. So all sexually transmitted diseases are not completely curable, and you have said except AIDS, HIV, that is also not completely curable if detected earlier. So most of the hepatitis B was also there. I had told you all STDs are not completely curable except few. Now see, oral pills are very popular contraceptive among the rural women. So this again you have to correct the statement. Oral pills are popular in cities and towns, not in villages or rural women. So oral pills are very popular contraceptive among the not rural, urban women. You have to write here urban instead of rural. Now last one, ET, that is embryo transfer technique. Embryos are always transferred into the uterus. It is not always transferred into the uterus. Sometimes it is transferred into the fallopian tube also. These are the small questions. I will move in the next section, next slide. I will be doing some more MCQs. Just wait for a while.